Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Dirt Path Exploration. Today, we traveled to Chanhassen, Minnesota to take a walk around the Power Hill Park. The trail is a 0.9 mile down and back trail with a pretty decent looking sledding hill we might have to come back and check out in the winter. The hike is mostly tarred except for a brief walk around a field and took us about 20 minutes to complete. It's a public park within a residential area, and although there are wetlands below, I didn't notice any significant bug activity, except for the constant hum of cicadas. We also saw a few immature cicadas crossing the path along our hike. The park has a decent playground with a good circle of trees around it, not directly shading the playground, but providing somewhere to sit in the shade and watch the children play. There is also a covered picnic area by the field near the park. The field area that you hike around has several small paths that shoot off from it and give a fascinating thick brush path in such a residential park that we couldn't resist taking a little detour on to see what was inside. They're tight and not well traveled, so I'd check yourself for ticks just to be safe after navigating them. But we did manage to find some interesting looking fungi and neat underbrush scenery while we took a look around. This second portion of the trail heads down the hill after the sign noting alcohol and other restrictions, with at least one very specific exemption. Once you head down the hill, you walk alongside several small bodies of water, and given the dry year we've had, they were significantly algae covered, but the path itself was quite shaded. My favorite part of the trail is the hill. It overlooks the lower bodies of water and a large field. On the day we went, you could watch the clouds rolling their shadows below the hill, and there was a wonderful breeze. It's the kind of park you roll out a blanket and have a picnic on the hill watching the clouds roll by. It's also the perfect hill to go sledding when the inevitable Minnesota winter hits. The temperatures drop and the snow flies. We'll be checking out the hill when winter finally rolls into town, and checking out if it's as decent of a sledding hill as I suspect it to be. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, don't forget to let us know your favorite trails in your local area.